Hello, today I'd like to talk to you about our Raptor Guard Spike Deterrent. This particular model is a 24-inch version. They come in 12, 24, 36, and 48. We see a number of our customers ordering the 24 or the 36. The reason being is it's easier to manipulate. When you get a 48-inch piece, it sounds like that'd be better. You need less of them, but it's harder for the lineman to install when they've got 48 inches of spike deterrent that they're trying to band down. The height on this is 20 inches and the separation between the spikes is 3 inches, and there's a little bit of overlap here. That's 1.5 inches, so if you put another spike unit up next to it, you're going to get exactly the 3-inch spacing between spikes. That makes them modular. You can set them side by side. The way they're installed on fiberglass or wood arms, both distribution and transmission, there's holes at the top where you can screw down into the arm to hold them in place. If you're on steel, you'll want to band them using banding, and talk to us about our super strap banding. It's a really good zip tie polymer banding material that works great for these. But back to the spike deterrent, what we wanted with this unit was for endangered species especially. The U.S. Fish and Wildlife requires that the utilities try to keep the birds from perching on the arm and using the arm as a hunting perch. So they want you to block the bird from perching anywhere on the arm. It's very difficult to do, but when we set out to have this one, it was not so much as a deterrent as it is a excluder, trying to keep them off. That's why it's a little bit tighter spacing, and we want to get as close to the phases as we can. We use fiberglass spikes. These spikes are brought to us by Puppy crossarms, so it's the same material they use in their fiberglass crossarms with the triple veil protection. We do have different bases. So this specific base is L-shaped for angle iron, for lattice towers, that type of thing. This is a flat base, and then we also have another adapter for the flat base, which has a concave bottom. And what this is for is your engineered arms, steel arms. A lot of times they're octagon or pentagon shaped, and the corner of one of those octagons is often placed up, so a flat base won't set flat on that arm. So we created this adapter plate so that you can set this down on top of an engineered steel arm and still have good traction where it's not going to tip back and forth. The other part about this unit that I want to talk to you about is this has what we call the EC, so end cap, built into it. So this end cap keeps the birds from perching on the insulator at the end of the arm. This can be used in different configurations, but we also did flight cage studies to make sure that we could keep the birds from perching here and they still wouldn't perch on the individual legs of the fiberglass spikes. So this is another sample. This can be put on any of the sizes, but we think that this is at least a 15-year service life, probably longer. And then I guess the final thing on the testing is we tested this in winds over 100 miles an hour for several hours, not only to make sure that it would stay on and it wouldn't have a problem, but also some things that we were worried about was sound. So this tuning fork, if you will, is that going to start the vibration in wind and cause a noise that's going to be sound pollution for humans? Passed all those tests, and we're excited about offering this. If you need any more information on these products or any of our other products, visit us at powerlinesentry.com or give us a call. Thank you.